Samsung, the world's largest supplier of DRAM and NAND memory, recently announced that it would reduce memory production in order to balance the supply and demand situation on the market. This decision was made in light of the pandemic-related softening of PC and smartphone sales last year, causing their profits to plummet in the first quarter of 2023. Samsung said they are cutting back their short-term production plans, but will stay committed to investing in infrastructure and R&D to ensure tech leadership in the long term. According to TrendForce, Samsung had 45.1% share of the DRAM market and 32.8% revenue share of the NAND market in the fourth quarter of 2022. They have elected to cut production but have not revealed their intentions regarding the extent of the decrease in wafer starts and memory bits output. Most of Samsung's rivals are continuing to gradually ramp up their memory production on newer fabrication processes. While these processes do reduce chip costs and increase bits output per wafer, analysts do not believe it's enough to stimulate demand, leading to the conclusion that the oversupply situation will likely continue until the third quarter when the market begins to deplete inventories for the fourth quarter seasonal demand. This news is a major hit to Samsung's profits, which were two-thirds of what they were in the first quarter of 2022. People expected 1.4 trillion won, but the final profit was 600 billion won due to the production cut. These news indicate that Samsung is adapting to the changing market, and CMOs should look to Samsung's example to decide how to move forward during these uncertain times. It's important for businesses to evaluate their plans to better forecast where their market will head and be ready for challenges like these.